are 3 ways to make money online fast. They range from making money trading securities online to performing simple online jobs to affiliate marketing. They are online trading. Online trading is one of the fastest way that I know to make money online fast. All you need to do is to open a trading account, fund it, and put in your trade, and you can see daily profits coming in. Of course, before you can start pulling in daily profits and not losses, you would need to learn some techniques that would help you identify when to get in and get out of the trade. The most effective strategies which I have been using to generate consistent profit daily are the reversion to the mean and moving average spring strategy. These together with the momentum indicators like RSI and MACD has allowed me to make outsized profits daily. Online jobs. You can make money online really fast with this. The jobs available range from filling up surveys to testing user interfaces on yet-to-launch sites. There are even apps which pays you for doing nothing other than installing their apps on your mobile phones. One caveat, though, is that jobs are not plenty in any one site. Therefore, you would need to really sign up at many sites. Log in to every one daily and scan which sites has most jobs and just perform the simple jobs listed. I have compiled a list of the sites that currently suits my needs the best, which you can also try out. Make money online fast with affiliate marketing. You can make money online fast with affiliate marketing as all the heavy work has already been done by the merchant. The merchant has produced the product, tested all the components, including the all-important sales letter. All you need to do is to promote the product to your email list. So, every time a new product comes onto the market, you just copy the email templates developed by the merchant, copy to your email autoresponder and send it out to your list. After that, you just wait for the money to pour in. Of course, you have some work to do. You have to build a list of targeted hungry customers who believed in you and trust you. This is so that whenever you send them the offer, they will accept your recommendation and hit the buy button. Recently, an expert marketer has developed a simple system to build a huge list of subscribers quickly. List building used to take a bit of effort, however, with this new system, it is now a breeze. The absolute best part about this system is that you can make money without needing to build a website, nor the need to create any content. It also requires no building of any product, no tech skills. You do not need any staff nor any office. In fact, you do not have to build anything on your own feature articles, working 4 to 8 hours a day to make it work. All you need to do is just one very simple thing. Just copy his system wholesale and be set up for a continuous stream of profits. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, Riseout Pro, for more news and updates. Thanks for watching.